Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on this channel, Harmon's Cooking. And guys, wow, look at the vegetables. Wow guys, the freshness from these vegetables are amazing. I have flat mushrooms, I have spinach, eggplant, pumpkin, and lentils. Take a good guess guys, what I'm cooking today. Still not sure? Well, I'll put the intro for you and I'll come back and tell you. So in this video today, I am going to be teaching you guys how to make vegetarian lasagna. So without further ado, let me teach you guys how to make it. Guys, so now it's time to peel our mushrooms, chop up our vegetables before we roast them. Okay guys, I've chopped up the vegetables and seasoned with salt and pepper, and now I'm going to put it in the oven for around 190 degrees Celsius. But the pumpkin is going to take a little bit longer time to cook, around 20 to 25 minutes, while the eggplant and mushrooms will take around 10 to 15 minutes. But you do also have to keep a close eye onto your cooking. And don't say Harmon didn't say so, because Harmon did. Okay guys, now it's time to make the creamy white sauce. Okay guys, so the flour has been nicely roasted, and now I'm going to add in milk. Guys, we're gonna have to mix these around nice and slowly until the sauce becomes thick. As you can see, the sauce has thickened, and I'm going to add salt and pepper according to your taste. Mix them around, and now I'm going to add in cheese. Guys, so the white sauce is ready. Now we're going to make the red tomato sauce for our lasagna base. After the onions sauteed a bit, we're going to add in garlic. And now I'm going to be adding diced up tomatoes. Guys, now I'm going to add sugar, brown sugar, oregano, basil, salt and pepper according to your taste. Mix it up, and then after we're going to blend it all up together. So guys, as you can see, I've added the lasagna sheet as the base of my lasagna, and in every layer you want to make sure we add in white sauce and our red sauce. The first layer I've added spinach and lentils, salt and pepper for seasoning, cheese. For the second layer I've added eggplant, mushroom, cheese, and salt and pepper. The third layer I've added in lentils, pumpkin, cheese, and salt and pepper. Guys, for the final layer I've added in red and white sauce, cheese, and salt and pepper. Guys, I've added foil around my lasagna so that when it goes in the oven it doesn't burn, and we're going to put it in the oven for around 35 to 40 minutes and 190 degrees Celsius. Talk a little bit of history about lasagna. So many people have their own favorite recipes of cooking lasagna. But guys, have you ever wondered about the origin to where this delicious comfort food came from? The great feasts of mankind, the lasagna has been traced all the way back to the ancient Greeks when the Romans occupied the country Greece around 146 BC. At the time, the Romans adopted the culture, language, and obviously food as their own. The Greek word laganon, which is also used to describe flatbread, is actually the origin word to describe lasagna. Now guys, the rich, tomatoey, modern day style lasagnas actually made its debut in Naples, Italy, where at the time, in special occasions, those lasagnas were made. But now guys, in this modern day generation, we don't need a special occasion to eat this delicious, wonderful meal called lasagna. Guys, as you can see, the lasagna is ready. Now it's time to plate. Hey guys, the plating has been completed. Now it's time to taste, but before that, let me show you guys the masterpiece I have created. So as you guys can see, the colorful lasagna is ready. Look at the cheesiness. The cheese is just melting from the top. And you can really see each layer of the vegetable added. You can see the lentils, the eggplant, mushroom, the pumpkin. It's just so vibrant, and it's just coming out there. It's just amazing. And on the side, I have added my red tomato sauce I made, and I've added homemade basil pesto. Now, if you want to learn the exact recipe and how to make a homemade basil pesto, I recommend you guys going on my very first video on how to make a fettuccine pasta. Over there, I explained the exact steps into making a perfect homemade basil pesto. Top for presentation, I've added a fresh basil and bocconcini cheese. Now, I put bocconcini cheese not just for presentation reasons, but I've also added it to enhance the flavor of the lasagna. Now I'm going to taste the lasagna and tell you all about it. Oh guys, I cannot wait to eat the lasagna. Oh, look at this bite, guys. You can see the lentils and the pumpkin. It's just amazing. The lentils, the spinach, pumpkin. It's so amazing. I'm going to eat this right now. Time to eat. Oh my gosh, guys. The lasagna is just so good. You can really taste each vegetable I've added in. You can taste the pumpkin, the lentils, the mushroom, spinach, and the eggplant. It's just so good. And the cheese on the top has been melted so well. It's really well. And the sauces, the red sauce and the pesto, is a really good combination with this lasagna. And also the bocconcini cheese is just amazing. It's going really well with the lasagna I made. And I do recommend you guys to make this lasagna at home. That's going to be it for today's video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also guys, please make sure to share my video around with your friends and family. And for now guys, have a good day.